Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get Yahoo Finance data in Google Sheets. First, understand that Google Sheets has a powerful built-in function called Google Finance. This function is your gateway to retrieving a wide array of financial information directly into your spreadsheets. You can pull current or historical data for various securities, including stock prices, market capitalization, and other key financial metrics, making your analysis much more efficient. To begin, simply type the Google Finance function into any cell. The basic syntax is straightforward, equals Google Finance, followed by the stock ticker symbol in quotes, and then the specific attribute you wish to retrieve, also in quotes. For instance, to get the current price of Google, you would type equals Google Finance open parenthesis quote Google quote comma quote price quote close parenthesis. This immediately pulls the live data into your sheet. If you need historical data, the Google Finance function can handle that too. You can specify a start date and an optional end date to get a range of past information. The syntax expands to include these dates. For example, equals Google Finance open parenthesis quote Apple quote price quote comma date 1 comma date 2 close parenthesis. Remember to format your dates correctly, typically as year dash month dash day, to ensure the function interprets them accurately. For more advanced analysis, you can combine Google Finance with other Google Sheets functions to create powerful dashboards and calculations. Also, remember that you can set your Google Sheet to refresh data automatically at regular intervals, ensuring your financial information is always up to date without manual intervention. This is incredibly useful for tracking market movements throughout the day. Before you go, check the description below for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.